Do you keep making plans, only to drop them after a few days? This is Mindfuse, and today I'm going to show you a simple but powerful method to create a plan that actually works. And no, you don't need motivation. You need these three things. Step 1, set a clear, measurable goal. Most people say things like, I want to get fit or I want to grow online. But those are just wishes, not plans. People who succeed, they do something different. They define clear actions and deadlines. Like, I will upload 2 YouTube videos every week for the next 30 days. I will lose 3 kilograms by September 1st. Clarity creates commitment. Step 2, plan ahead. What can go wrong? This is where most people fail. They assume everything will go smoothly. But real success comes when you're prepared for failure. Here's a simple formula. Right pointing finger emoji, if X happens, I will do Y. For example, if I'm tired after work, I'll still record a short script. I won't skip the video. You don't win by being perfect, you win by being prepared. Step 3, turn your plan into a habit. Planning is not enough. You have to attach it to your daily routine. Right pointing finger emoji, as soon as I make my morning coffee, I'll check my 3-step plan. Set reminders on your phone. Put sticky notes on your mirror. Motivation fades, but systems stay. Final thought, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with a small, clear, and doable plan, and stick to it. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. This is just the beginning.